Welcome to lesson 11, ENG4C, and we are going to talk about Persepolis and how to read a novel. You don't have to read all of it, although I would recommend it because it's excellent and talks about a very relevant revolution because the revolution is happening all over again. You might have heard about a woman who was killed as a result of police detaining her because she was supposedly not up to code according to the immoral police. They have moral police. She wasn't wearing her hijab correctly, so they took her away and beat her. Unfortunately, she died because as a result of that. So there's been protests going on, and they'll continue. This story is about a woman who lived through the first revolution to depose a dictator, but in the place of the dictator came an Islamic republic who enforced like a strict kind of religious code. The name for this type of government structure is a theocracy. So based on what some people interpret as the way according to religion, rather than like the place where we live in a democracy where it's based on morals written down, morals and ethics written in laws, so that are created by over time in the justice system. So this is a graphic novel, and there's also a movie adaptation. You can also watch the movie. Isn't that great? So I'd like you to start by reading one of the reviews, either the graphic novel review or the movie review. Then I'd like you don't have to do anything with it after that. It's just to get kind of an idea of what people think of it. Then you're going to preview the text, have a look at the covers, look at the image, read any writing that's on the cover. Can you make any predictions? So that's for this and this. Again, I got it in real life here. You can have it at school. I bought it for anyone to take out. Then the question you're going to answer is you're going to say, I looked at the cover, the images and the writing that's on the cover. What predictions can you make about the books? This is again about predictions based on what you've seen. There's some words here, there's some words here, there's a picture here, there's some designs here, there's an author's name, there's another graphic there, some more words, picture. What do all these have to do with each other? What can you predict? Maybe make 3 predictions, what you think is going to happen in the story. Now this is a what would you call it? A fictional biography. So it's her real life, but obviously through story. But the things that she's recounting are things that she remembers. So it's really a biography in graphic novel form and in movie form. Preview the first 15 pages. So you can read the first 15 pages by clicking on here. And you can start right at the beginning. So it really is like a book, which is kind of cool. You can make it bigger. You can zoom in, You can zoom out, Then you can open the pages like this. Isn't that such a cool way to read a book? So I'd like you to read the first 15 pages or watch the first 15 minutes. Isn't that cool? Of the story or movie. Then you're going to answer these questions. After you've watched or read the first 15 pages, what level of language is used by the author? And what level, I mean, is it elementary? Is it secondary? Is it college? Is it university? Is it simple? Is it complicated? Do you think it's too challenging? Is it not challenging enough? What age group is this movie or book for? So it's really looking at the language itself and uh, why she wrote it that way. Who did she write it for? Is it appropriate? Look for chapters in the book or movie. What predictions can you make about the character or plot? What will happen? So just kind of scroll through and you'll see that there's chapters. This one is called The Key. And just go through, skim through the jewels and what do you think is going to happen? Just maybe 5 or 10 plot points. Do you trust, this is a big thing. Do you trust the narrator, main character, as a reliable source of information? Can you trust this person's memories? Why do you think that she can be trusted? Why do you think she might not be able to be trusted? Um, is this information reliable? And then provide at least one piece of evidence. That's it. I hope you enjoy. I hope you do read it. And if you do, I'd love to chat about it because it's one of my favorite books. Alrighty, Rudy, good luck. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Take care. Bye.